Terry Lynn, sharing with you my plein air backpack. I try to keep things simple and light. I have a nice strong backpack. It's water resistant with wide, comfortable straps. It holds a lot in the pack. This is my wide-brimmed hat. It has sunscreen in it. I have a variety of rags for my hands and anything else that might come up. In the main part of the bag, I have a backing board, nice and stiff, to hold the paper. I have a variety of pastel paper in this case. There's another kind, and a pack. So you can have a variety as you're on location. I also use one of the old envelopes of UArt to put in pre-cut glassine to protect my paintings when I'm done. And I save another one of these folders to put in my finished paintings. That protects them when I take them home. I have a box that I found. It's very light and it holds a number of pastels. I have a great variety set up like my regular palette, a little screen that I can sharpen the pastels if I need, my vine charcoal, which I find invaluable. It fits very nicely right back in the pack. I also have a pastel palette with chosen colors. I like that especially for underpaintings. So these are all the supplies I have in the large part of the bag. Pretty simple. In the forward pocket, I have some accessories. Tape to hold down the painting. This is my Pastel sponge, a spray bottle of isopropyl alcohol, and a bristle brush. I use those a lot for textures. Bug spray and snacks, gloves to protect my hands if I need it, a fingernail brush to help clean up after, and this is my thermocell. An outdoorsman shared that this was the best thing if I was staying still in one spot to keep bugs away. A viewfinder, I don't use that very often myself. I use my phone more often. And sometimes I will check, oh, there's another brush. I will check my backpack to make sure that there's nothing in there I haven't used for a while, because this is a great time to lighten the load and simplify. There are also, snacks. There are also 2 pockets on the outside where I can put bottles of drinking water. I keep some damp wipes to help clean my hands and business cards. People are always curious when you are out doing plein air painting, so be ready to let them know who you are. A couple other things, let's see. Oh, brush cleaner and some clips and a dead elastic. Get rid of that. So here are the things that are in my front pocket. Pretty simple. I often take a watercolor plein air easel with me in a nice handy carrying case, but I don't always use it. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I keep it in my car just in case. So my backpack is packed, easy to travel with, and it has anything I need on the road, so I can really enjoy being out there and painting in plein air.